Jump ball in favor of Team Green. Rami pass to Eric. Eric with the ball going inside. And what's the call ref? And there's a traveling violation to China called by the referee. The ball is in favor of Team Red. Ryan, inbound pass to Robert. Robert, long pass to Moon. Moon going inside, pass to Lane. It's stolen by Ampi. Ampi pass to Eric. Eric going inside for Leo. No, pass to Mario for two. No good. What's the call, ref? Ball is still in favor of Team Green.
10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Time already 9 minutes and 40 seconds. Rami going inside for two. No good. It's short. The ball is provided by Moo. Moo pass to Robert. Robert going to the inside. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Ryan for two. That is good. 2 points for Ryan is good. Eric with the ball. Going to the other side. Going ISO. Pass to Ramos. And what's the call, ref? That's a blocking foul by Leo Gonzalez. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws coming up for Dwight Ramos. First throw, in and out. Second throw. No good. Rebounded by Ryan. Inflected by Moon. Pass to Robert. Robert going inside. Stolen by Ampi. Pass to Moon. Ryan pass to Joe. Joe with the ball going inside. No good, and there's a foul. Number 9, Mario. First personal foul. First team foul.
How can I bring this out? You want to lower it?
No, kasi hindi makita yung whole board ko yan.
First shot for Joe. No good. Second shot. It's good. Score is 3 against 0 in favor of Team Red. Eric with the ball. Going inside for two. No good. Rebounded by Joe. Joe with the ball. Don't want to pass to his teammate. Pass to Robert. Robert, long pass to Ryan is no good. It's out of bounds.
Pagka-rebound, bigay sa point guard.
Ramos, inbound pass to Ramos. Eric with the ball. Rally for no good. Rebounded by Ampi. Ampi, long pass to Eric. Eric going inside, and what's the call, right? It's lifting violation. Move pass to Robert. Robert pass to Joe. Joe getting inside for two, and it's good. 2 points for Joe. Mario pass to Eric. Eric looking for his teammate. Guarded by Leo. 15 to shoot. Mario pass to the wrong teammate. Stolen by Eric. Eric going inside for Leo. It's good. 2 points for Eric is good. 9 minutes, 6 minutes. Robert pass to move for three. No good. Rebounded by Joe. But it's stolen by Mario. Pass to Eric. Eric with the ball. Looking for his teammate. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Ramos.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Ampi for two. No good. Robert going to the other side. Looking for his teammate. This is a Madrid throw. Oh, no good. And there's a foul. Who's foul, referee? Number 13, Eric Ramos. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws coming up for Robert. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebounded by Ampi. Ampi for two, no good. Throw for the rebound, pass to Leo. Leo going to the other side, take the ball. Pass to one, move for three, no good. Eric, take the ball. Going to the other side. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Rami for two, and it's no good. Rebound by Mario. What's the call, ref? Time out. Please, ref. Time out for Team Green. Rami inbound pass to Eric. Eric for three. Bang! 3 points for Eric. Oh, inbound pass to Robert. Robert to the ball. And Robert going inside. Pass to Luke. Pass to Leo. Leo pass back to Robert. 4-2. 10 seconds to shoot. And it's good. 2 points for Joe. It's good. Rami inbound pass to Eric. Eric to the ball. Pass to Ramos. Ramos going inside. The ball is stolen by Joe. Pass to Robert. Robert going to the other side to the left. No pass to Leo for two, and it's good. Wow, what an archer! Leo. Eric to the ball. 16 seconds to shoot. Looking for his teammate, going ISO. Pass to Mario. Stolen by Robert. Robert going to the outside. Wow, what a move, and it's good. 2 points for Robert is good. Time remaining 3 minutes to be exact. 15 seconds to shoot. Eric threw the ball, going inside, looking for his teammate. No, Eric shot the ball, no good. Joe for the rebound, pass to Robert. Robert is alone again. Wow, what a move by Robert. Bang! 2 points for Robert. Got it, pass to Eric, pass to Eric. Eric threw the ball.
15 to shoot.
15 to shoot.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot, Eric for two, and it's good! Second chance shot for Eric is good. Robert with the ball. 15 to shoot. Robert, no post pass to Joe. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Then go inside. No good. Mario for the rebound, pass to Eric. Eric with the ball, going to the other side. What a layup by Eric, and it's a layup ball. Robert again, Robert is alone. What a move by Robert. 2 points for Robert is good. Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds to be exact. Eric with the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Ramos. Ramos with the ball. 10 to shoot. Pass to Mario. Mario going inside. Pass to Ampi. Ampi for two. No good. Rebounded by Joe. Pass to Robert. Robert for the behind the back. Rebound pass to Leo. Leo for two. And it's good. 2 points for Leo. 45 seconds to the inside. Time remaining. Eric with the ball going inside. Pass to Ryan. Stolen by Luke. Pass again to Robert. Robert for the layup. And it's good. Second chance layup for Robert is good. 30 seconds to be exact. Time remaining for the first quarter. 16 seconds to shoot. Ronnie going inside, pass to Ramos for 2, and it's good. 2 points for Ramos is good. 13 seconds time remaining. Shot clock is turned off. Right, pass to Robert. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. End of the first quarter. Score 19 against 9 in favor of team. The ball pass to Jericho. Jericho for 2. No good. Bonus by LP. Pass to Tim. He going inside for the left. And it's by Tamayo. 16 to shoot for Team Green. And before 3. No good. Recovered by Archie, pass to Pierre. Pierre looking for his teammate. No, he's going to shoot a 3, and it's no good. Recovered by pass. 40 seconds to shoot. He's going to keep it for the layup. It's good. 2 points for Ray. Partner is good. Glenn, to the ball. Oh, you have a mistake. Mistaken pass.
Nag-first quarter from here.
Team Red. RJ pass to Paras. Paras going inside. For the left, and it's no good. Rebounded by Edgar. Pass to Paras, no good. Rebounded by RJ. Pass to MP. Pass to Peter. Here's the ball going inside. Get the shoot. Paras for 2. No good. Rebounded by Tamayo. And the ball is out of bounds for Team Green. The ball is in favor of Team Red. Tamayo, inbound pass to Glenn. Time remaining 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Tamayo going inside for the layup. No good. Recovered by Anthony. Recovered by Archie. Stolen by Glenn. Glenn for 2. Bang! Good. 2 points for Glenn. Paras will pass to Edgar for 3. No good.
Nalakas lang.
Oh, time remaining 8 minutes to be exact. Glenn pass to GJ. GJ pass to Jeremy. And the box lost. Paras, long pass to Archie. Archie going inside. Turn it on left for back. Oh, yeah, Archie, what? 2 points. By Archie Panel. GJ pass to Glenn. Glenn with the ball. Go into the other side. Pass to Tamayo. Tamayo for the layup. No good. Paras with the ball. Going to the other side. Doing it by himself. What a layup by Barnes. In and out. Stolen by Pierre. Pierre for a long 3. No good. Recovered by Edgar. Edgar for 2. That's my target, boy. And there's a foul. What's the call? Offensive? Not counted. Offensive? 26. Time out, Team Red.
Dapat birthday naman, hindi naman
The
tinawagan.
score. Pass back to Jermel. Jermel pass to Glenn. Glenn for 3. No good. GG for the rebound. Pass to Tamayo. Stolen by Peter. Peter going to the other side. For the layup. And it's good. 2 points for Peter. Glenn, long pass to Tamayo, and there's a foul. Reaching in foul for the referee. First personal foul for Paras. First team foul. Leo for 2, no good. Recovered by Anthony. Here to the ball. Going to the other side. Looking for his teammate. No, to the left. No good. And there's a foul. Called by the referee. Number 0. Second personal foul for Leo Gonzalez. First team foul. Long pass to GJ. GJ pass to Glenn. Glenn to the ball. What's the foul, man? And it's what's the foul? Ball still in favor of Team Red. 30 to shoot. What's the call? There's a foul. Number 4. And no good. By the way, Paras. Paras going to the other side. For the 2 points for Paras. GG, inbound pass to Leo. Pass to Glenn. Glenn from the ball. What's the call? Team Green. Time remaining 4 minutes to be exact. Paras, inbound pass to Pierre. Pierre going to the other side with the ball. And what's the call? What's the call? What's the call? 10, blocking foul. For special. Pierre inbound pass to Andy. Andy pass to Archie. Archie for the turnaround layup and no good. Paras is there. Paras, 2 points. The score is tied. Goals in favor of Team Green. Paras long pass to Archie. Archie in now. Pass to Edboy. The birthday boy. Bang bang. Oh! 2 shot. 2 points for the birthday boy. Glenn from the ball. Running line so 3 minutes exact to play. 16 seconds to shoot. Tamayo going inside for the layup. And it's good. 2 points for Tamayo is good. Paras in pass to Pierre. What's the call, ref? It's good. 2 points for Pierre is good. Tamayo inbound pass to Glenn. Glenn with the ball. Heavily guarded by Arjun. Pass to no one. Final 2 minutes of the second quarter. Pierre with the ball. Wow, what an answer by Pierre. For the layup is good. 2 points for Pierre. And for 3, no good. Para by Ampi, pass to Paras. Paras, pass to Pierre. Pierre for 3, no good. Para by Edgar for 2. Yes, good for the birthday boy. Extra free throw for the birthday boy is coming up. Who's foul, ref? Who's foul?
Ayan na, kuha!
Ipang by Tamayo. Tamayo, what's the call, ref?
22, block.
22, blocking foul. 52 seconds to be exact, time remaining. 4-3, no good. Ipang by Jermaine. Pass to Tamayo for 2 and it's good. 2 points for Tamayo. Here for the layup and it's good. 2 points for Pierre is good. Tamayo into the ball. 4-2, no good. Played by Tamayo. And there's a foul. Who's foul, right? Number 8. Paras. Incomplete. Start of the third quarter. Ball in favor of Team Green. Pierre, pass to Paras. Pass to Eric. Pass back to Pierre. Pierre with the ball. 15 to shoot. Pierre for 3. No good. Joe pass to Robert. Oh! It's a traveling violation called by the referee. Here in one pass to Eric. Eric with the ball. Pass to Birdie Boy. Birdie Boy for 3. Oh, it's airball. Ryan with the ball. Pass to Robert. Oh, Laura was over to Robert.
Amen, doon sa napa mo.
2, and it's good. 2 points for Mo is good. to pass to Pierre, pass to Eric. Eric going inside, going ISO. Looking for his teammate, pass to Paras, pass to Mario for two. And it's good. 2 points for Mario. It's good. Ryan, pass to Tamayo, pass to Robert. Robert, pass to Joe, who can shoot. And 2 points for Joe. It's good. Here for the layup, and it's no good. What's the call, ref? Number 13? First personal foul. First team foul. That's a crossing foul. Hindi yan pwede. 2 free throws coming up for Pierre. First shot is good. Second throw is good for Pierre. Robert is on pass to Tamayo. Pass to Robert. Robert with the ball. Pass to Luke. Move for 3. No good. Rebound by Eric. Eric pass to Pierre. Pass to Bertie Boy. Bertie Boy for 2. No good. Robert pass to Tamayo. Wow! 2 points for 8. Tamayo is good. Here, dribble. Pass to Paras. Paras for 3. No good. Rebounded by Joe. Joe pass to Robert. Robert with the ball. Stolen by Paras. Paras no pass to Pierre. What's the call, ref? And there's a foul called by the referee, number 13. Second personal foul, second team foul. These 2 players are the official ace players for both teams. Bertie Boy pass to Paras. And there's a foul na naman. Who's foul, ref? 5-6? Wala, hindi ako Indiano.
Nari-record ko ba yung ano? Yung kanina.
Here. Inbound pass to Eric for 3. No good. Rebound by Robert. Robert, no pass to Sir Ryan. Stolen by Shaq and out of bounds. Ryan pass to Move. Move for 2. No good. Rebound by Bertie Boy, pass to Pierre. Pierre for the layup, that is good. 2 layup for Pierre is good. Inbound pass, Robert to Tamayo. Tamayo going inside. What's the call, ref? Ball is still in favor of Team Red. 37 against 31 in favor of Team Green. Tamayo, pass to Move. Pass to Ryan for 2. No good. Paras, no pass to Pierre. And it's good. 2 points for Pierre is good. Robert pass to Move. Move for 2. No good. Rebound by Eric. Pass to Pierre na naman. 2 ace players, 1-on-1. Bilang posta. Magkano yung posta? Wala. The ball is stolen by Robert. Robert pass to Ryan. Ryan for 2. No good. The ball is rebounded by Bertie Boy. Pierre going inside for the layup. And it's counted. Foul counted for Pierre. Who's foul? Number 11. First personal foul, 14 foul, warning for penalty.
If my shot yan, timeout.
And 1 free throw for Pierre coming up. Bang! Ref! Pass back to Blair. Pass to Tamayo. Tamayo going inside. Whoa! Who was on air? Pass to Bertie Boy. Bertie Boy pass to Pierre for 2. And it's good. 2 points for Pierre is good. Then pass to DJ. Pass to Robert. Robert pass to Tamayo for 2. No good. Iba Paras, pass to Pierre. Pierre na naman. Pierre nag-lay-up. Hala. Pierre, 2 points for Pierre. It's good. There's a foul ref. What's the foul ref? Foul for Paras. First team foul for Team Green. Robert pass to GJ. GJ pass to Tamayo. Stolen by Pierre. Recovered by Glenn. Recovered again by Glenn. Pass to Joe. Joe for 2. And it's good. 2 points for Joe. It's good. The ball is in favor of Team Red. Glenn inbound pass to GJ, pass to Robert. Robert for 3, no good. Iba by Tamayo. Tamayo going inside. And there's a foul, there's counted. Counted, eh? It was a ball movement, it's counted, ref. For the inconvenience, ball is in favor of Team Green. Paras inbound pass to Pierre. Pierre with the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to shot. Pass to Eric. Eric pass to Bertie Boy for 2. Hala! What a shot! What a nice 2 points for Bertie Boy. Robert to the ball, going inside. And there's a foul na naman. As always, who's foul ref? Number 13? Who's number 13 in Team Green? Please raise your hand. Eric Ramos. Second personal foul. First, second team foul. Two shots for Robert. 1 point for Robert. Paras in one pass. Good ball. What's the foul, ref? Who's foul?
There's a danger to push 2-1.
21?
Down.
Pushing. Penalty, ref.
He pushed me first.
Clear coming up. And it's unlock. Good pala.
Wala na atang paglagyan nila.
Robert Paul. No good. And Robert, inbound pass. Uy, ref. What happened?
Almost 5 seconds.
Here, give the ball. Wait. Here, pass to Archie. Archie for 2, no good. Divided by Archie. What a pass by Archie, and the ball is out of hand. Joe, inbound pass to Leo. Leo, pass to Joe. And pass to Joe. Go for 2 and it's good. 2 points for Joe, it's good. Ramos pass to Robbie, pass to Archie, pass to Pierre. Pierre for 3, no good. Rebounded by Leo. Leo pass to Robert. What a turnaround. Dribble for Robert. 4-3, no good. Pierre for the rebound. What's the foul, ref? Blocking foul. Third personal foul. First team foul. Pierre rebound pass to Paras. Paras pass to Archie. Paras going inside for the it's blocked. The ball is still in favor of Team Green. 12 to shoot. Ramos pass to Pierre. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Pierre, no good. Go for the rebound, pass to Robert. And there's a foul. Uy! Left the shot technical. Stop the clock. Ref, that's warning for technical. Again, free throw, no good. Rebounded by Mr. Dakiti. Pass to Rami. Recovered by Pierre. Pass to 40.42, no good. Recovered by Joe. Joe, long pass to Robert. Robert for the layup, no good. Recovered by Robert. And still no good. RJ pass to 44 for the layup, no good. Recovered by Pierre. Final lane for the inside, 25 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Pass to Ramos. Ramos going inside. Pass to Edgar. Birdie boy, 2 points. Robert going to the other side. Robert, good shot, no good.
Dahil fast break.
Ref. Ang time out sila.
15 to shoot. Here, good ball. Here going inside 4-2. No good. Better by Rami. Rami for 2. No good. Ball rebounded by Joe. Pass to Robert. Pass to Glenn for 2 and it's good. RJ inbound pass to Rami. Pass to
Time
Pierre.
out kami ha.
Here, pass to RJ. 10 to shoot. Rami for 3. 3 points for Rami.
Hindi nag-time out eh. Continuous.
3 for 3, no good. Fifteen seconds to shoot.
Asan yung time out? Wala pa?
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Here, looking for his teammate.
5 to shoot.
5 to shoot. Good. The ball is stolen. Glenn for the layup. Allah. And it's 2 points. Time out. Team Green. 40 boy pass back to Pierre. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to 40 boy for 2. Aidan. Pass to Robert. Robert pass to Glenn for 3. No good. Rebounded by Joe. Stolen by Pierre. Pass to RJ for 2 and it's good. 2 points for RJ. More with the ball.
May mental dyan ah. May mental.
Jeremy for 2, no good. Paras long pass to Edgar, but it's stolen by Robert. Joe going inside.
Basket!
2 points for Joe. Oi, what happening? What is happening? Wala man. Here to the ball. Here going inside. 15 to shoot. 3 minutes and 50 seconds to each shot. 10 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul, ball by the referee. Number 8. Foul out, number 8. Please exchange players. Second team foul for Team Green. Ball in favor of Team Red. Continuous ball movement. Move for three. Rebounded by Joe. And there's a foul. Ball by referee. Who's foul, ref? 19, 9? Okay, pushing foul. Mario, second personal foul. 13 foul. Ref. Stop. Kuya, takin kuya. Kuya, takin yung brief. Ball is over to red. Score, ball is going back here. And it's out of bounds.
At binigay na agad.
Ball, pass to Tamayo. Tamayo going inside for the left, and it's no good. Rebounded by Ramos. Pass to Pierre. Pierre for the left, no good. Pass to Bertie Boy, Hala, 2 points for Bertie Boy. Robert 4-3, no good. Score is 59 against 44. Last 2 minutes of the fourth quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Pierre for Odi. It's blocked by Robert. Pierre for Oh, there's a foul call by referee. Who's foul, right? 5-6. Allah, hindi ko yung Jalo. Pasensya. Okay. Second personal foul for Tamateo. Second team foul. 2 free throws coming up for Pierre. Pierre, mag-miss ka minsan. Puro ka shot ka lang. Baka ban ka na sa season 5.
Sab.
Wait.
Mamaya pa.
Dead ball.
Wala.
Robert 4-3, no good. Arjun will be rebound, pass to Pierre. Substitution for both teams. Rebound by Jamal, and there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Who's foul? Number 5, Ampi. First personal foul. Penalty. 1 minute and 3 seconds to be exact. Time remaining. Rebound by Ryan. No good. Rebound by Joe. And there's a foul na naman. Ay nako. Who's foul, ref? Number 9, Mario. Penalty, ref, penalty. First shot, no good. 3 players in Team Green, warning for graduation. Please be careful. Second shot for Joe is good. Mario pass to Pierre. Pierre to the ball. Pass to Rami. Rami to the ball. Going inside for the layup. No good. Rebound by Ryan. Pass to Ben. Ben pass to Tamayo for the layup. Halas. And the ball is in favor of Team Green. Time remaining 37 seconds. And there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? 5-6 again. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Third team foul. Until one pass to Pierre. Pierre to the ball. Stolen by Robert.
Inagawa Candy.
Robert for three, and it's no good. Ball is in favor of Team Green. 23 seconds time remaining. Shot clock is turned off.
Mahirap yung ikot ang player.
20 seconds. Ravi for three, no good. Rebound by Mario, pass back to Ravi. Again, Ravi for three, no good. Rebound by John. 5 seconds time remaining. Joe for three, unbelievable,